Ako lang tingnan pa. Instruction lang ang tingnan.
Ito daw, sila Virada, Kumbati, kita, national, Mulayat. Siga, what? Spell siga.
To everyone, let's make this gathering a day of learning, collaboration, and inspiration. Welcome and good luck to you all.
In the preparation, planning, and even later on the implementation of this activity, I recognize so much for their great effort. Let me start with the President. Ms. Actually, again, I'm so proud always to say that she was once my student in Tawagan National High School, Ravi Gudisya. Bernardo, should I say, is lumalaban talaga. So at this point of time, listeners, journalists, if I say secondary district cluster 2, listening 5 times, lumalaban, 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 lumalaban. Okay? Then, namina ba ni? I said, if I say secondary cluster 2 is, five times? Okay, so second opening program. Now, I suppose you have been attending school press conference, district school press conference, and with that, you are both aware of the necessary skills, essential skills, and even understanding your own school community and the world around you. And so with that, you were able to come up with a school publication. I am confident that you have won. And don't you know that your school publication becomes a platform and plays a vital role in informing your fellow teachers and even people around you about your school activities, mga courses, and even further to inform the wrongdoings of accountable person. And of course, you are also there to give relevant and nice information. And I would like to congratulate you for being fearless enough in doing so. Now, at this point of time, I would like to stress that we are having this district school press conference not to compete each other. Take note, because for me, competing each other is negative to my ears. But I should say, we are here to just select and screen the best out of the rest to represent our district. So take note, we are not competing here. We are just here to screen to come out with the best, but to call those journalists who can represent the would like to take advantage of the fellowship that we have among the advisors, paper advisors, and among journalists. Am I clear with that? Wala na lang konting billing. Kaya we stand as one and secondary district cluster 2. So with that, it's my hope that we can somehow achieve the major objectives and purpose of this activity. And this can simply happen with the full support of everyone. Supportado ba? Support ba ang lahat? Yes? Yes. Help? Buhay tayo lahat. And again, congratulations.
Trustees for the public that accept and clear statement, accuracy and fairness must part to the truth. I believe that bribery by honesty may not be escaped by